I really find myself leaning on a glide bait like the Johnny Darter on pretty much any body of water I go to. You know, generally glide bait season starts kind of midsummer, and it definitely lasts right till ice up. One of the original ones is literally just let the bait hit bottom, pop it really hard, and let it free fall. You know, you don't feel a lot of those bites, but basically the number one triggering characteristic of a glide bait is how fast it falls. It just activates fish. It's moving fast. They have to make a split-second decision. One of the other things that I've learned that really catches fish is just a nice little slow walk. So letting the bait dart back and forth, a little bit of slack line, and really just kind of zigzagging through the water. Now, if I can look at the fish on my forward-facing sonar, it gets even more complex than that. What I like to do is I like to hold the bait above the fish. Generally, I'll do a couple little twitches above its head and just kind of wait until that fish reacts. The second I see that fish move, now I want to make it flee. So a lot of times I'll let it fall past the fish right away and wait for its reaction. If it dives down, you know, maybe I'll go all the way to the bottom, give it a nice hard snap or a little short pop. If it doesn't react right away, I'll usually have a couple more twitches and then let it fall slowly past that fish. Now, the beauty of forward-facing sonar is you can make a repeated cast on the same fish until you really just kind of annoy them. Then their natural instinct takes over, and a lot of times they just have to chase that bait because it's so close to them. So next time you're out fishing with a glide bait, regardless of if you have forward-facing sonar or not, throw your bait out there, try a number of different things per cast, slow it down, speed it up, make it aggressive, and you're gonna catch a lot more fish.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.